The inspiration behind the story of Hollywood Hills Recovery was just a few of us trying to make something out of nothing because we understood the struggle and how difficult it is to get to this point in life. We've always been the ones that were the outcast. We've always been the ones that were shut down. We were always told we're less than. But today, look at us. We have this beautiful career in front of us and we're able to actually help people. If you're going through addiction or you're fighting or battling with mental health, you should really look at what the given situation is. And if it's something that you're not able to manage, why don't you take the opportunity to take suggestions, listen to people that really know what they're talking about, and really invest in yourself, because your health is the number one priority. In recovery, you're always going to face challenges. I think that if somebody had told you that your life is going to be ultimate bliss, they're lying to you. My life goes up, my life goes down, but I stay in the fight. This is not something that we're just gonna tackle in one day. This is a lifelong journey. And I don't say that to scare anyone. I say that to embrace everyone, that for the rest of your life, you can feel good about yourself and the decisions you make, whether it's wrong or right. As long as you stay clean and sober, you're able to make the proper adjustments and really strive on how you're really committing to yourself and making the best out of your recovery. If you're gonna come in, one foot out, it's gonna be extremely challenging. And when you actually give yourself that opportunity to be a better person, say the right things, really have that drive, and ultimately face your fears, and don't be worried that something awful is going to happen. You can only go up from here. You're not going to go down. And believe me, the success stories that I've overcome and have seen, the success stories that every individual that's walked through our program, every other program, I've only seen success. My whole mission in life is that I want to make sure that when clients come to Hollywood Hills Recovery, they get the best possible treatment that they can ever get anywhere else. And that's our whole drive. We want to make sure our company is on the top of the ladder, so when clients come in, there is no reason or excuse for them to walk out of here with a frown on their face or they didn't get what they wanted in regards to results.